Trying to roll back in. Here's a live look from Monterey tonight. We can see some low clouds hanging in around the harbor this evening, and after a day where we did see mostly sunny skies, so those clouds have filled back in. Visible cloud picture not really showing them. They're fairly thin, honestly, so we start to lose them at this time of night, but you can actually pick out just a couple clouds right here, like around Carmel Bay before it all started to fade. But either way, a few low clouds out there, keeping things a little chilly on the south and east sides of the bay, where we're in the mid-50s right now from Monterey to Salinas. Still, Santa Cruz looking pretty nice. It's 67 degrees there right now. So the north side of the bay, a beneficiary of the sunshine and getting the warmer temperatures. A few 70s, even approaching 80 degrees in our southern valleys and up at Pacheco Pass at the moment. Now, did you know today's National Caramel Popcorn Day? It's also National Teflon Day. I don't know how you celebrate that other than frying an egg in a pan, I suppose. It's also National Tartan Day. I had to look that up because I guess it's different than plaid. You learn something every day. But if you're out celebrating those days tonight, expect increasing clouds across the Monterey Bay region. Your sunset tonight at 7:33 p.m. and temperatures will be down into the low 50s by midnight. A little more mild with the clouds hanging around, but either way, it'll still probably be a little on the cool side. Featurecast showing the low clouds filling back in around the bay and into the interior valleys. As we head into tomorrow morning, the marine layer a little more compressed than it was yesterday morning, or this morning, I should say. It'll be more compressed tomorrow morning than it is this morning. So the clouds won't make it quite as far inland. It won't be quite as high up on the hills, which means the bottoms of the clouds won't be quite as high anymore either, which means an increased chance of some fog tomorrow morning, especially in some of those lower hilly areas right along the coast, right around the Monterey Peninsula, maybe Laurelist grade. Maybe the Highway 17 corridor. Watch out for patchy fog tomorrow morning. During the afternoon, we'll scatter out again. A few high clouds passing through, patchy low clouds lingering on the south and east sides of the bay. But temperatures pretty comparable to what we have today here across the region. We're going to be back in the mid-60s in Santa Cruz, a pocket of 70s up Highway 9, getting close to 70 on the Highway 17 corridor. In Capitola, not a bad day, mid-60s for you. We'll see the same into Aptos and Watsonville. 64 in Salinas tomorrow. We're back in the 70s in Gilroy and Hollister and up in Morgan Hill. Over toward the east shore of the bay, we're going to stay in the 50s in Castroville. Marina winds coming in off the water and patchy low clouds throughout the day. 57 your high in Monterey, which is 3 or 4 degrees cool for this time of year. So you're feeling a little cool out there. And then farther south, we'll see highs in the low 70s once you get to Greenfield and King City as you drive south on 101. Over the next 7 days, not a lot of temperature variation with our blocked up pattern and no rain in the forecast. Breezy onshore winds at times, high temperatures a few degrees below normal. Your normal coastal high this time of year averages out to be around 64 degrees. So you notice we're about roughly 5 degrees short of that really for the next week or so. As we look at the inland forecast, your normal high this time of year is around 70, so you're really seasonable for the next couple of days. It will be breezy, if not a touch windy in the valleys during the afternoons, and I do expect slight warming as we head into the weekend.